Good afternoon, everyone. Happy afternoon to all of y'all. Today, the reason to come live is that I would like to share the highlights of yesterday and day before yesterday evening's Founders Day. It was a wonderful event which happened in a 2 day span. सब लोग मुझे ये बोल रहे थे मुझे ये बोल रहे थे कि why not go live for the 2 day event. So I did not want to take the entire Duo Dance ka event live because there was a lot of technical plus and minuses which could have happened, and I wanted to test it. So आज जो भी glitches या plus minus हुआ towards the end of the program, I will also share with you all. So all the other dance schools or dance institutes, if you all plan to keep your own event, what are the do's and don'ts I'll share towards the end. पर अभी जैसा कहते हैं, where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. So same is entire lockdown period. We could not physically meet. So in this entire 4 month span, we kept making virtual videos. और जो डुओ डांस होता है, डुओ डांस हमारा फाउंडर्स डे सेलिब्रेशन, वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू हैव अ 5 day सेलिब्रेशन जिसके अंदर देयर इज अ YPL, दैट इज यंग टैलेंट एसोसिएशन प्रीमियम लीग, जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स में क्रिकेट हुआ करता है, स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट हुआ करता है. So then there is internal dance competition and talent competition which happens. There is social work which happens, and towards the end there is a Founders Day and the Duo Dance Championship. तो ये बहुत सालों से चलता आया है, but इस वक्त due to the lockdown we decided why not make it open to all. So this time we had 2 categories, one for the open for outsiders and one for people who are from YT itself. So friends, today what I'm going to do is I will be sharing my screen, and I will just in short give you all the highlights which happened on that day. That day means day before yesterday and yesterday. So I'll just ask Sachin sir whether Sachin sir just besides whether you can see the screen. So friends, this was celebrating 22 years of YTA. Okay, so I'll need to connect my, yeah, it is seen. Okay, friends, if you all can see, I'll start adding you all. Yeah, so before I add all our winners, today's highlight is all about introducing you all to the winners. So let me also say that the ones we are broadcasting to StreamYard. So there is a it on Facebook, it comes after 5 seconds. So we had a talk show with Shabbir, who is the co-founder of Hats Off, who looks into our digital platform. He was also an ex-student. So basically, 2 दिन का मैं आपको थोड़ा idea दे देता हूँ कि we had a talk show and we had the duo dance competition. So in the talk show, we had some of our lovely students and friends and those who bonded in YTA. So the first talk show was with Shabbir and Rohit. Rohit is the branch head of YTA. He looks into the YT Flix department also, and Shabbir is the co-founder of Hats Off and Manhandle. और इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा टॉक शो दिया था, एंड शब्बीर शेयर्ड हिज व्यू अबाउट किस तरीके से ही केम इन द ईयर 2007-8 as a student, and we instructors support him to be a part of YTA. And he didn't expect that he will cross so many years and become one of the head in YTA. He had just joined element, and today he heading YT along Sir, Reshma, Deepa ma'am, and everyone. This is some of the old pictures, and this is how they used to come together, dance together, enjoy together. So these are some of the old pictures. And after that, we had our lovely judge of this evening, Supriya and Mansi. They basically had a dance studio, Munch for Everybody, and the fashion dance studio by Mansi Desai and Supriya, where they took out their special time. So let me just introduce our judges. They were lovely. They supported our event, and with all the glitches which happened, but to introduce you all Supriya and Mansi. They are Latin and ballroom dance teachers who've been trained and certified under Sandeep Soparkar's ballroom studio. Also, they are into this industry from more than 18 years. They are specialized in dance styles like salsa, merengue, cha-cha, jive, waltz, rumba, samba, tango, paso doble. They are completely they have traveled in India and abroad. They have choreographed for Gujarati films like Hututu and Dunyadari, and soon to be released Satam Atham. So they're also my friends, and we have traveled abroad for shows. And yesterday they were present, and they had this competition ka judging. So the judging was on this criteria, on choreography, on presentation, on overall performance, and because it's a virtual virtual competition, we had a video shoot and edit category also. So the way it was shot and it was edited. So I will show you all the video, and we have the near talk show with them. Friends, after yesterday's event, we would like to have an exact month, have a grander scale with a lot of practice. So let me call upon all our all, but yeah, most of them.
ओके धन्य असं काहीतरी केलं तसेच कंटेस्ट एवढे जण आहेत का नाही अजून खूप आहेत असं काही गाडी नका लांब पण दिसतच नाहीये कॅमेरा समोर जायचं तोंड
Okay, now can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what I'll be doing, friends, is on the screen there are only थोड़ा आप लोग आपका वॉल्यूम को कम रखना in case because there are reverbs happening, or you can mute, and when you want to talk, you can talk to me. So friends, I want to say that congratulations all of y'all. I won't be able to take all the 12 people on the screen. Limited six people ko only I can take. So I'll take you all part by part. ओके, सो मैं एक काम करूंगा, पहला वीडियो जो दिखाऊंगा इन द ओपन कैटेगरी, देयर वाज द जजेस हैड डिसाइडेड first and second prize in the open category and first prize in the YTA category. But because they loved most of the dances, they increased one more prize, that is the second runner up, the first runner up, and the winners. So the what I'll do, Swapnil, I will take you out for some time, and I will add Hamza, because the runner-up was okay. Alia, I'll add you 1 second. Hamza, I can add only 6 people, so I'll do one thing. Ansh, I'll take you out also for the time being, and I'll add Hamza and Alia first. Alia, Hamza and you all are together right now, or you all are in different places?
No, he's actually at work and I'm at home.
Okay, so I'll add Hamza also, and Ansh, I'll just remove you for a time being, but you can watch me, you all can definitely see me. Okay, so right now from the open category, we have the second runner-up, Hamza and Alia. In the first runner-up, we have Rohit and Kripal, who can't make it to the live session. And the winners for the open category is Kaustubh and Sahil. So congratulations to all of you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So before what I'll do, and now अभी यहाँ पे सोनाक्षी और sister कहाँ पे आते हैं? Let me tell you. After the entire competition got over, we all instructors were together after the cake cutting ceremony, and even I saw all the videos. So then we decided that we'll give you a YTA Choice Award because we liked your presentation, we liked your costume changes, we liked the way you all edited the video, and most importantly, आप दोनों makeup में भी थे. तो आपका costume which was simple and nice, आपका hairstyle and makeup, आपका editing, location change, everything was there. So we instructors, we from YTA especially thought that we need to give you a YTA Choice Award. So friends, I'll play for you all. I'll play the entire participants ka list first. Then I'll play Sonakshi's video, and we'll just have a small 1-minute chat with you all, and then I'll play Alia and Hamza's video. So Kushal, I may, because I'm adding a screen, I may need to remove you from the list for the time being. So can you see the screen? Give me a thumbs up, huh, friends? You can say yes, we can watch the screen. Can you see the screen? Friends, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Someone can say yes.
Yes. It's visible.
So these are all the participants, friends. Volume सुना दे रहा? So guys, these were all the participants. Now I'll play for you all Sonakshi's and Sanjana's video, our YTA Choice Award. Sonakshi, can you hear us? अगर आप सुन पा रहे हो तो हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So I'm playing your video and see how lovely you all have performed. Sonakshi, you can mute your phone.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं, आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए, मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए, सांसें मेरी है उनके हाथों में, याद पिया मेरे पिया पिया नहीं लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में। ओ याद पिया पिया नहीं लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में। तेरे बिना क्या हाल है अपना, क्या तुमको बतलाए रे, चूड़ियां मेरी रोए, मेरी चुनरी रोई जाए रे। हो तेरे बिना क्या हाल है अपना, क्या तुमको बतलाए रे, चूड़ियां मेरी रोए, मेरी चुनरी रोई जाए रे। बिन तेरे सब सजा है, बिन तेरे कहाँ मजा है, बिन तेरे सब सजा है, बिन तेरे कहाँ मजा है, बिन तेरे कहाँ मजा है। चालों में याद पिया की, मेरे पिया की, हाय याद पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में।
Amazing, सोनाक्षी एंड संजना। एक
Thank you,
सवाल
sir.
पूछना चाहूंगा आपको।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सो आप लोगों ने ये कोरियोग्राफी कैसे किए थे? खुद से किए थे या किसी ने आपको हेल्प किया था?
No, sir, just because of us only. We just together we just put ideas of dance choreography from like many videos and just joined that choreography
अच्छा,
and we did that. Yeah.
सो अलग अलग वीडियोस देखे, उसमें से स्टेप जो जो अच्छा लगा वो सब लेकर आप लोग ने खुद बिठाया है।
Yeah, kind of like that.
Very nice, very nice. As a start, it's very good. A very clean choreography. I like your subtle costume which you all wore. बहुत अच्छा था। अभी मुझे और एक चीज बोलो कि आप लोग पहले से डांस करते हो या सिर्फ डांस का इंटरेस्ट है? क्या आपने डांस क्लास कभी ज्वाइन किया है?
We have interest in dance. Like in summer holidays, we always join like dance classes. That's it.
ओके ओके। किसके पास सीखे हो आप?
Like they were like from the from school, like summer holidays, summer camps, from there.
Okay, okay. So basically summer camps and all. So Sonakshi, we will be giving you a certificate, a medal, and a 1 month free online dance class for you all. Okay,
Yes,
so
thank you,
Sachin
sir.
sir will mail. Yeah, Sachin sir will mail, and please share. We put your video in our YTA page. जितना आप लोग शेयर करोगे लोग आपको देख पाएंगे. Very well done, nice. Thank you so much. And I will show you all your
Thank you,
certificate
sir.
because you all were not there yesterday. तो मैं आपको आपका certificate, e-certificate बता देता हूँ. Can you see it? No, na. I need to wait 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you all will be able to see it. See, this is the certificate, but along with there will be an added line that you will have won.
Yeah.
So this is Sonakshi. This certificate goes to you, and Sanjana, this certificate goes to you.
Thank you, sir.
So we'll mail you this. You can print it out on a good quality paper, which looks like a certificate. Because lockdown hai, so many. This is shut. Otherwise, but Sachin sir will deliver you all the will deliver you all the medals, and the voucher will be also mailed to you. So you can join. Our classes are starting from the 6th of August and the 10th of August. So do join. And
Yes,
if you all want to be a part of our DTTI team, there is tomorrow there is a private orientation program. So Sachin sir will send you all a mail. It's an advanced level dance class which happens. So Sachin sir will send you all a mailer or a WhatsApp link. So you all can come to my. It's a private orientation program. So if you are interested in dancing, moving ahead in dancing, please come. It will be a 45-minute session. So please come if you all are interested and possible. Okay. Thank you so much.
yes, sir.
अभी
Yes,
अभी
sir.
I'll send
Thank
you all
you,
the
sir.
second runner up का video share बताता हूँ मैं, which is Alia and Hamza's. It has become one of my favorite with the kind of chemistry they had while dancing. So इनका आप dance देख लो अभी. So friends, all my Facebook friends, this is one of the very amazing performance done by Hamza and Alia. And Alia, your request is accepted. We'll make a combined certificate for you all. So we'll mail it to you by tomorrow max.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
my pleasure. My pleasure. Keep this chemistry going and keep dancing. And
Thank
here I
you
play your track.
so much.
Do mute your mics so that
Watching you stare all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I die every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I am not a thousand. Looking for a thousand. I die every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I am lost for a thousand. Looking for a thousand more. I believe time find you. Time is but hard to leave. I love you for a thousand. Looking for a thousand.
lovely, lovely. Beautiful. So Alia and Hamza, I want you all to share your experience of how this worked out. How did you all do this choreo? Who helped you all? And who shot the video?
So I don't know if Hamza will be able to talk or no right now, but because he's at work and there'll
No
be a lot
issues.
of disturbance.
You
But
keep
yeah,
smiling. I'll understand.
yeah, I'll convey what he's feeling and how it is. So when I first got the message from Sachin sir, and it was a do or dance competition, I was like, "Listen, Hamza, we've got to do this." And So when he came back
Wow.
home from work, I told him, and he looks at me and he's like, we'll try, maybe, let's see, we'll give it a, go, and let's see how it turns out. And I was like, okay, cool. So the next day, I started searching for songs and videos, at least, getting some inspiration as to what kind of a dance style we would be able to do together. Like there's ballroom, there's waltz, there's salsa, there's a lot of couple dances that we could see. But
Right.
and then I found this YouTube video on this song, A Thousand Years, and it's our favorite song because Hamza proposed to me on this song. So
Okay.
our engagement was on this song. So
Wow.
yeah, and then I saw the steps and we started practicing every day. I think we practiced for 4 days. And
Wow.
last bit, the second 1,000 years choreo that comes again. After that, the steps which are there are mine. So
Okay.
before all of that is from a YouTube video, but after that
Okay.
is what I have just improvised and seen a couple of videos and tried and did that. So yeah, and
Absolutely. That is how, Alia, that is how, we become choreographers. Instead of copying cut to cut, it's always get inspired, improvise it, and that is how you always learn. Then
right.
it automatically from within it starts, the steps starts coming, new steps starts coming. Very well done.
True.
Very well done.
And
Yeah. And who shot the video?
Hamza's friend.
Give specially compliment him
Yes.
because he subconsciously the treatment of the camera
Yes.
happened the way it should have been shot for that particular video. That
Right.
also plays a very important role. And there was one point you asked, I think in the Instagram story I saw that Subhash sir smile on your performance.
Yes.
You just, that is because there was one point where I smiled because you turn and you look straight into the camera.
Yeah.
There is one point if you see the video, and that
Yes.
is where I felt that you are looking at me and dancing. That is why I smiled.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Amazingly done. Amazingly
Thank you so much.
done, Alia and Hamza.
Thank
Do not stop dancing. Do not stop dancing. I know you all will be busy. Hamza, I know you'll be busy with work. But हफ्ते में एक बार निकालो, and in Bombay, join a good ballroom, Latin ballroom class. I'll WhatsApp you some good names. Go join there, and even if you do not continue, I am also in Mumbai and I teach salsa privately. I don't run an academy there because I am doing assistant work and I am mostly in shoots there. So I take private group classes. So either you can learn from me there, or you should join if you're staying towards town side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there are good ballroom classes there, and I think you all should join. I'll WhatsApp you some list.
For sure.
Don't stop
sir.
your dancing.
Yes.
And but for you all, there is a free 1 month online class. So you all
Okay.
can you all can take either salsa as an option or Bollywood as an option. So I would suggest you all at least take salsa, and you can join my batch. I'll be starting it post 10th August.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
let Sachin sir know about it. So I'll be able to teach you all. It was such a lovely performance. Anything else? I know Hamza can't talk, but Hamza, some gesture which will communicate that you really enjoyed being part of this event.
No, it was amazing fun. It's Alia's passion, dance, and I promised her like you'll always keep dancing. I'm not a
Yeah, I
dancer.
know. But
I can't do
it was
this,
great.
but with all by my side, it's fun and it's easy, and we'll
Do
keep on doing
support and
this.
don't stop. Do support each other and be like this. After 5 years, 10
Definitely,
years, also be like this.
Thank you so much.
God bless you all.
definitely.
God bless you
Thank you
all.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hamza, if you're busy with work, please carry on with your work. Okay, no
Yes,
problem.
yes.
And now I won't show you all the first runner-up ka video because they're not here. You all can watch it in our page. But I'll go to the winners ka video, which is Kaustubh and Sahil, and they did an amazing job with their way. They had their steps. They were very synchronized. Most importantly, they were synchronized. It looked like a profession, though this was not like a professional platform in the sense like हमें बहुत अच्छे dancers ही चाहिए थे. We needed newcomers also. We needed people who can dance very well. So definitely outside judges, So they will give someone who looks professional. So Kaustubh and Sahil, they performed very well, and that is why I think they were the winners for this duo dance round. So I'll play their video. Amazingly choreographed, amazingly performed. I hope you can see the screen, Kaustubh. Just give me a yes. Can you all watch the screen?
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा है?
लड़की सीधी सादी सी बोतल पीली है आधी सी लड़की सीधी सादी सी बोतल पीली है आधी सी और तेरी ये ग्रेविटी मुझे खींचे तेरी सैया सैया रे तेरे सैया रे तो पकड़ गलैया छोड़ न लेके आजा तेरे भाई को I am what I say, I'm psycho. I am what I say, I'm psycho.
Very nice.
I am what I say, I'm psycho.
Very good, very good. Amazing, amazing. Kaustubh, before I speak to you, let me just... Okay, one second. We will need to... the reverb is happening in your phone or... थोड़ा वॉल्यूम कम करना पड़ेगा किसी का. हाँ, थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम. Yeah. So Kaustubh, how did you choreograph this track?
Yes, sir. Just we were practicing. Sachin sir said there is a competition and we have to do some work. So मुझे एक काम भी मिल गया है कि लाइक कोरियोग्राफी भी करना है, स्टेप्स भी करना है, उतना प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगा. तो हमारा 6 डेज में हो गया. 3 दिन कोरियोग्राफी चला, बाकी के 3 दिन
वेरी वेल डन, वेरी वेल. आई लाइक. और ये स्टेप कैसा था? ये स्टेप क्यों था?
ये मैं वो मुझे बढ़ा रहा था ना.
नाइस. सो कांग्रेचुलेशंस Kaustubh. आई थिंक आप दोनों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. And you'll get a 1 month free class, online class from us. And we have a GTTI ka orientation program tomorrow. Okay, so if you are free, I know that you run your own academy, but in any way you want to upgrade it, do you want to grow more or you want to be associated with ITA and do your teaching, feel free to be a part of this orientation, जहाँ पर मैं पूरा बताऊंगा ये कोर्स है क्या, इसका फीस स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, और ये फर्स्ट टाइम ऑनलाइन होने जा रहा है. ये जनरली फिजिकली 1 साल चलता है, बट ये एक ऑनलाइन 3 month का क्लास है ये. So come for that. This you'll get to learn a lot, and then you can decide whether you want to go or not. But yes, you all are getting your e-certificate, which Sachin sir will mail you all. You all have got the gold medal. So once again, congratulations, and you all were amazing. Okay, so now winners of the open category, I'll remove you all, so I can take the YT category people and I can talk to them also. If you all are getting late, you all are free to exit, but keep watching the live through Facebook. Okay, this is happening live on Facebook right now, और Insta पे थोड़ी देर के बाद हम लोग upload कर देंगे. So thank you so much, Sonakshi and Sanjana, for being a part of this afternoon today, for taking out your time. Congratulations once again. Come tomorrow for the orientation program. Thank you so much, Kaustubh and Sahil. You all were great. Come tomorrow for the orientation program. Alia, keep dancing. I hope Hamza and you all are such lovely together. You all look so lovely together, and you all are born. And you all look like, you all are born to dance. That is what I feel. So don't stop your dance.
Thank you so much. It's
Okay,
so
rest.
sweet.
I'll
Thank you.
chat with you on WhatsApp. Thank you.
Yes, will do. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Ansh.
Hi, sir.
WhatsApp. So I have Kushal here. I've got Swapnil here. I've got Ansh here. And Mahi को मैंने ऐड कर दिया है. But I think Mahi. Yeah, Mahi. Where are you? Speak, speak. I want to listen to you. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. So we all the winners are here, right? 4 people are here. So I think only Kaustubh is, anyways. I can Kaustubh can hear me, right? If you are here, you can hear me. Perfect, perfect. So now I'll do one thing. I'll first, though you all have already seen the video a lot of times, so let me first show you all the winners ka PPT first, the video PPT. So friends, in the open category, we had second runner-up as Alia and Hamza, first runner-up as Rohit and Kirpal, and winners were Kaustubh and Sahil. In the YT category, we had Kushal and Mahi as the second runner-up, and Swapnil and Ansh as the winners. And in the YT Choice Award, we had Sonakshi and Sanjana. I think a huge round of applause to all of you all. So over to Kushal's, and yesterday there was a lot of lag in Kushal's and Mahi's video. So I'll show it to you all again over here. I hope you all can see the screen. You can.
She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands. And baby, I just wanna dance. I met her on Grafton Street, right outside of the bar. She shared a cigarette with me while her brother played the guitar. She asked me, what does it mean? The Gaelic ink on your arm. Said it was one of my friend's songs. Do you want to drink on? She took Jamie as a chaser, Jack for the fun. She got Arthur on the table, Johnny riding a shotgun.
You can see the videos.
So we can listen to the music, but not the video.
One second. On the laptop. 1 second. 1 second. I did not do my share screen. Okay. Now can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Okay. Now I'll play it again. Give me a cue if you see it.
She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands. And baby, I just wanna dance. I met her on Grafton Street, right outside of the bar. She shared a cigarette with me while her brother played the guitar. She asked me, what does it mean? The Gaelic ink on your arm. Said it was one of my friend's songs. Do you want to drink on? She took Jamie as a chaser, Jack for the fun. She got Arthur on the table with Johnny riding a shotgun. Chatted some more, one more drink at the bar, then put band on the jukebox got up to dance. You know she played her fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hand. Said, baby, I just wanna dance with my pretty little Galway girl. You're my pretty little Galway girl. You know she beat me at darts and then she beat me at pool, and then she kissed me like there was nobody else in the room. As last words were called was when she stood on the stool after dancing to Katie singing to trad tunes. I never heard Carrick Fergus ever sung so sweet. A cappella in the bar using her feet for a beat. Oh, I could have that voice playing on repeat for a week. And in this packed out room where she was singing to me, you know she played a fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hand. Said, baby, I just wanna dance, my pretty little Galway girl. My, Galway girl. And now we all said our welcome and it's closing time. I was holding a hand, the hand was holding mine. Our coats both smell of smoke, whiskey and wine. We fill up our lungs with the cold air of the night. I walked her home, then she took me inside to finish some Doritos and another bottle of wine. I swear I'm gonna put you in a song that I write about a Galway girl and a perfect night. She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hands. Said, baby, I just wanna dance, my pretty little Galway girl. My, Galway girl. My, Galway girl. My, Galway girl. Hey.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Very cinematically done, beautifully choreographed. I loved it. Does anyone wants to say anything? आप लोगों को कुछ शेयर करना है? किसी को कुछ शेयर करना है? I can't hear you all.
So I want to say one thing. I think Mahi deserves a lot of praise here because Mahi का school भी बहुत चल रहा था. Like she used to study, like her school online sessions were going on from school from morning 8:30 to in the afternoon, and then she used to come. So then we used to have a chat ki how we'll do it, and she used to manage everything and still perform so well. So I think I want to thank Mahi a lot because she helped me as well, and she was commendable.
अरे माही तो बचपन से ऐसी है, स्कूल जाती है, then she's dull. It's not new to her, but yes, it's commendable. Mahi, you were so amazing in this video, and it is so well visualized. So from a cinematic point of view, this is my favorite video of all, with due respect to all the other performances. Cinematically, yeah. Like all the, you know, if you want to talk, you can talk. Costume, you can. So it is, I think, you know, if a choreographer who uses lenses and all, like throwing, running, looking at each other. So, you know, I can see a filmmaker in you in future, you know, if you really keep making such videos, amazingly done. So the entire visualization was yours or someone helped you, Kushal?
No, so actually, this is one of my favorite songs. So I wanted to do something. So the whole visual was mine only as well. So my main aim was to make not only a dance video but a music video. So I wanted to give it a feel of a music video.
Very well done. Very well done.
Yes, I planned for that. Yes.
और ना मुझे एक नहीं समझा यार, वो टेबल में वो 2 दारू का बॉटल क्या कर रहा था? ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा 2 दारू का बॉटल था वो.
So the song tells that it's a cute meet between a girl and a boy. So the meet was in a bar basically, which we couldn't show it as well as possible. But jitna dikhaya, so that's why that bottle was supposed to be there, so we can show that we met in a bar. So where I asked her to dance with me, and then
class as well.
Yeah,
perfect. So I wanted. Absolutely. So I wanted. It's okay, Ansh. It's perfectly fine if people are talking around. You can mute your. So Kushal, this is what I wanted the audience to understand, that it is so important कि lyrics से how subtly you created a setup. So it's a filmmaker wala dimag hai, you know. So that is why deliberately I am asking these questions so that others can understand कि the choreography is not only about taking out steps. The choreography is not only about doing good moves. The choreography is not only about costumes, but the choreography is also about telling a story with whatever you have in your surrounding space. And I think that is what you did. Kushal and Mahi, amazing. Congratulations. You'll have got your prize, your certificate, and a special gift from Sachin sir, which will be coming to you all soon. Okay, I won't take much time because it's already 45 minutes. So I'll go into the winners for the yesterday's evening performance. And I think they won because of their moves, because of their dedication, and because of the theme. And here I show the video.
Useless.
So here I play the video. I hope you all can see the screen. Can you all see the screen?
तुमने कभी किसी से प्यार किया? किया। कभी किसी को दिल दिया? दिया। मैंने भी दिया। बचना ए हसीनो लो मैं आ गया ये बचना ए हसीनो लो मैं आ गया हुस्न का आशिक हुस्न का दुश्मन अपनी अदा है यारों से जुदा है बचना ए हसीनो लो मैं आ गया।
हेलो भाइयों बहनों, नमस्कार। मैं इरफान। मैं आज आपके साथ हूँ भी और नहीं भी। खैर, मेरे शरीर के अंदर कुछ अनवांटेड मेहमान बैठे हुए हैं, उनसे वार्तालाप चल रहा है। देखते हैं किस करवट उठ बैठता है। जैसा भी होगा आपको इत्तला कर दी जाएगी। कहावत है, when life gives you lemon, you make a lemonade। बोलने में अच्छा लगता है, पर सच में जब जिंदगी आपके हाथ में नींबू थमाती है ना, तो शिकंजी बनाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। लेकिन आपके पास और चॉइस क्या है पॉजिटिव रहने के अलावा? इन हालात में नींबू की शिकंजी बना पाते हैं कि नहीं बना पाते हैं, ये आप पर है। और हम सब ने इस फिल्म को उसी पॉजिटिविटी के साथ बनाया है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये फिल्म आपको सिखाएगी, हंसाएगी, रुलाएगी, फिर हंसाएगी शायद। Enjoy the trailer and be kind to each other. Yes, wait for me.
Lovely, lovely. Lovely concept, everyone. Even Rohit. Can't you need to mute? So I think a lovely effort by everyone. I think even Rohit and Kripal had done the same concept with Sushant Singh. That is why they won the second runner-up, friends. So you'll all have won 1 month free online classes from us. Choose your choices. Plus there is a surprise prize from Sachin sir and the medals and the e-certificate. And the ones who are interested, the DDTI, those who are already doing great, but those who are interested in a dance appreciation course and a DTTI, that is a dance teachers training course, you can come tomorrow. I'll announce the timing. I'll fix it up by today itself and announce, so you all can come and attend it. It might be a 45-minute session, not more than that, so that if you all feel like joining my dance appreciation course and DTTI course, and along with that I'll be starting my salsa classes where I'll personally teach, so you all can all join. Thank you so much. And once again, let me just quickly scroll the all the participants list. Okay, before I show the participant list, talk show ke baare mein, please let me tell you all. In the very first day, we had our ex-branch head Poonam and her lovely soul husband Tinku. We had a lovely chat show, and they shared their experience about YTA and her lovely choreography, like the Zuzu act. Mahi, Poonam specially spoke about your batch. So she misses you all, and she'll be coming soon. These are some of her performances. We had Anup, who's now a very well-known photographer, and Sujata. They both were instructors in YTA. They were dancers in YTA. They shared their light moments. They used to choreograph children, and it was lovely. These are some of their pictures. We had Sakshi, one also from our very junior batch. She had joined YTA when she was 5 years old, and today she's like a 21-year-old grown beautiful lady. She dances Bharatnatyam, belly dancing, and salsa. So we had a lovely chat with these people. Along with that, I hope you all were able to see the screen, right? You all were able to see, right?
Yes,
Please
sir.
give me a yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And let me present to you the next thing which happened. Yeah, so this is the final certificates that is got printed. Swapnil, this is for you, but we'll have the winners list. These were the participants. Once again, a special thank you to
Supriya and Mansi.
Studio. So this is the DTTI batch. This is our team, ongoing team. And friends, don't forget that there's a virtual Garba competition. It will be a chargeable entry, but the prize amounts will be some amazing. So start preparing for this if you all are also Garba dancers. And we had from the USA, Shruti, who's been a professional dancer and a very old friend, and Manju Auntie, who has also been an old student. So they shared their views, and she used to anchor a lot of our shows, and Shruti used to do a lot of professional shows with us. So friends, this is what we had in this 2 days. Amazing talk show, an amazing lineup of speakers from YTA. And after the lovely cake cutting ceremony, we had announced the winners. I'll give a round of applause, friends. And a small reel which I would like to share also, which I downloaded from, I don't know whether you all can watch this, see this. It's an Instagram. So this was all behind the scenes. This is what the technical things which we were doing backstage. 4 people were coordinating the entire event. Wasn't it amazing, guys?
Damn good, sir. Damn good. It was amazing.
Amazing, sir.
And this was the cake cutting thing which we had. So, bus, this is what I wanted to share to all my Facebook friends and Insta friends. And I think we are almost done. Anyone wants to end up? We have some 2-3 minutes left. It was such a lovely, lovely event altogether, and it only happened because of your support. Kaustubh, thank you for being there, everyone who was present today. And once again, thank you to the judges, to all our technical people, Karishma, Rohit, Sachin sir, who made this possible. Okay, so please share this video, so at least the ones who could not attend the event, they will be able to see this 1 hour program and get a short highlight of the entire event of this 2 days. So thank you, Mahi. It was lovely, and see you all soon. And we'll see, hope to start the classes once again physically, but online classes are completely on. So don't forget to join our online classes. And before I end up, I would also like to share with you all our 22 years ka logo, which Rohit sir has made and team hats off has made. So lovely, so wonderfully done. So this will be utilizing this entire years. Congratulations everyone once again for 22 years of YTA, and see you all soon for our online classes and for my DTTI orientation. So can I say a final goodbye to all my Facebook friends? Thank you so much. It was lovely having you all. Do watch this video, do share this video, and have a highlight. Last 2 minutes, what do's and don'ts when you'll go for an online event. See to it that you all have a good bandwidth internet. You know, it doesn't work with the telephone internet. If you all are trying to use 2-3 laptops, shows videos, show PPT, do online editing, you need a good bandwidth. That is one. Second thing, it's nice to send the links much in advance so that people can come a little early, do their technical check, because sometimes the audio and video, they cannot connect to us. So see to it your internet is good one. See to it that the links are sent at least 15 minutes or half an hour before, so that they can come a little early and see whether there are some network issues or not, and if there are any lags, they can solve it. If you are having the videos like event which I did, like showing a video and the judges are judging on the spot, then see to it that the videos are not very high quality, but they are also not bad quality. Means take a HD video and convert it into a little lesser file size, so that when we play it on our bandwidth and through our StreamYard or through Google Meet, so that it does not lag a lot. So this is what I have learned. All our videos were heavy files, only few were WhatsApp files, so I had to convert it and make it accessible. But do not use very, very heavy files for broadcasting. So see to it you'll convert it into a smaller file size and show it so that it does not lag a lot. So हमारा जो गरबा event होगा, it will be a super amazing event, I can guarantee you. And that's the reason I kept this event very private, in-house. We had given almost 60 to 70 invites, and we had almost 40 people who were there for yesterday's event, and they were there from the beginning till the end. So thank you so much, friends, that you all supported us after a 1 hour delay. In the sense, there was a lag, there was technical lag. कभी वीडियो प्ले हो रहा था तो ऑडियो नहीं हो रहा था, ऑडियो प्ले हो रहा तो वीडियो नहीं हो रहा था. इसके बावजूद, you know, you all waited for that for 45 minutes, 1 hour, and then we restarted the event. So other dance schools, if you all plan to have this event, see to it your internet is of good bandwidth. See to it the videos are of good quality but smaller file size. With this, I would like to end this wonderful highlight event. Thank you so much, and keep dancing, keep smiling. See you all soon, friends. Love you all. Happy afternoon once again to all of you all. Stay happy, stay peaceful. God bless you all.